What's up everyone? It's me, your so teacher John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries, ang mega live shoutout mga ka-Jeromantics! We are back for our reaction video para sa inyong requested performance ni Jerome sa Papua New Guinea. Tama ba? Oh my God, siya ay na-invite daw na isang governor. I'm not sure, that's what I read in the comment. At ito na nga guys, kumanta siya ng Bed of Roses, Do It with Joe Sadik. Oh my God, I'm so excited to check this out. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh my God, exciting to. Ay, ang pogi ng Jerome. That's Joe Sadik. Is she from Papua New Guinea as well, guys? Sa Papua New Guinea nga ba ito? God, I love this song. Nakakatakot to sa karaoke. Coat and tie ang Jerome. Ang pogi. In-invite daw siya ng governor, guys, right? Tama ba? Wow! Swabe. Ooh, love that growl. Wow, so smooth. Wow, what a rock vocal from a female artist. Wow, amazing. Grabe yung growling vocal, no? Wow, do it with a rock star pala to. Oh my God, I love the female rock vocal. Tapos sila pa ni Jerome. Tignan natin how the showdown will goes. Ooh. Oh my God, what a harmony. Come on, Jerome. Oh my gosh, I love it. Galing. Oh my gosh, what a rock vocal combined together. In fairness, nakakabigla din si Joe Sadik. Grabe ang kanyang female rock vocal. At syempre, hindi nagpahuli ang Jerome with that rock vocal performance. I love it. Iba ang mga rock. Wow. Love it. Wow, what a growl. Ooh, amazing. Oh. Grabe. Eh, my favorite part of the song, guys. Nahiya pa ang Jerome. Wow! Wait lang, guys. Hindi ko kinaya ang atake ni Jerome doon. Let's go back a bit, guys. In fairness kay Joe Sadik, I love that growling female rock vocal. At nakita niyo naman ang high notes ni Jerome. Let's go back to that. Akala ko nahihiya pa siya, but may pasabog. Eh! Oh, oh! Eh! Wow, pang rockstar din pala talaga ang Jerome, guys. Eh! Iba! Iba din yung ano, no, yung harmonization pag rock. Let's see. Grabe, sweet, smooth. Wow. Oh my gosh. Hey. Hey. Oh my God, all out Jerome. Nagtanggal ng necktie, guys. Grabe taas. Hey! Ganda ng harmonization. Tinanggal nito talaga yung necktie. Ooh. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God. Grabe ang Jerome. Let's go back to that a bit, guys. Hindi natin pwedeng hindi ulitin yung part na yon. Nagtanggal ng necktie sa Jerome just to make sure that he can nail that part of the song. Galing din ng show sa atin. Eh, sumabay ang Jerome, oh. Wow! Head tone kung head tone. And that low tone. Hey! Oh my gosh! Amazing! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome with Joe Sadik. Oh my God. And I saw that it's just an impromptu, guys, na kumanta sila ng Bed of Roses. Grabe, sobrang galing, sobrang taas. Grabe yun. The growling vocal of rock female vocal ni Joe Sadik fits the rock vocal of Jerome, no? Grabe, hindi lang talaga Elvis Presley. Jerome is such a versatile artist. At grabe yung head tone niya, lalo na sa dulo. Nagtanggal siya ng necktie, guys. Grabe. Oh my God, all I can say is grabe talaga, no? Oo, kasi Iba ang performance na to, guys. What can you say about this performance? Meron ba sa mga ka-Geromantics natin nakanood ng live? You can comment down below. At may iba pa siyang performance. You can comment down below at hahanapin natin yan, guys. I'm so excited to check out all his performance sa Papua New Guinea. Grabe, pang international na, Jerome, nakaka-proud. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.